This is Roy Haggerty, and in this video I introduce my application, Aircraft and Operator Comparable Data. This is a powerfully unique application that applies comparable data and metrics as it relates to commercial aircraft and operators. I created this application by developing certain methods and software to accommodate marginal costing techniques in a web-based analytical solution. The application compares the financial performance between and among aircraft types and operators using comparable data. Comparable data is similar data suitable for uniform comparisons. The application applies comparable data through a consistent and disciplined design. The application uses the DOT Form 41 regulatory filings under the Uniform System of Accounts. This source data is routinely updated. Data accounts can be aggregated or grouped among multiple operators or aircraft types. When I originally developed this application, I did so to target those with management experience or responsibilities, with the significant benefits of comparing the user's company's performance against that of the competitors. However, with the application's final development, the benefits had broadened and become more compelling. This application provides comparable metrics and information related to an operator's or group of operators' financial and statistical performance compared to its competitors or peers. It compares statistical and cost performance of aircraft or a group of aircraft against its competitors or peers. It shows trends that project beneficial or adverse conditions for an operator or its competitors. The application reveals and exposes invaluable insights into the competitive landscape. It reveals organic deficiencies or strength within an organization. It exposes potential trouble spots now or in the future. The application serves as an independent information source for management. It helps assess internal projections, analysis, or other workups within the organization. It provides the basis to stimulate and elicit questions within the organization. It aids in gauging a subordinate's performance. It allows you to better know your company, the competitors, and the marketplace. Requested data through data queries are retrieved and rendered to multi-dimensional graphics or graphic page views. This provides for an empowering experience for the user. The data series values can be aggregated as necessary to reflect the grouping of operators and aircraft types. The graphics are fully annotated to include full descriptive titles for yearly and quarterly formats, footnotes with a narrative discussion and remarks, legends with other annotations. Statistical trend lines projected to future periods are also shown. Flagged data points detected as outliers or inconsistent with historical data are noted or marked. The application renders source documents as well. Requested source data are retrieved and rendered to document page views. These are the DOT Form 41 data schedules filed by certain operators or air carriers. Normally, the user doesn't have to make a lot of inputs in requesting this data because the application is contextually smart. This means the application already knows where you are and what the context is, so little user input is needed. Content renders as side-by-side presentations in quarterly or yearly formats. As the graphics, content can reflect aggregated data. Content includes titles, captions, and footnotes to qualify the document. The user interfaces and controls are designed for simplicity. They are simple yet effective. They provide for an intuitive experience that accommodates thousands of variables. They provide for rapid querying, retrieval, and rendering of requested data. User help features are numerous throughout the application. Since the application is contextually smart, help or about screens open quickly as pop-ups. Tooltips can be activated to help in the user's experience. About screens include complete descriptions for content holders or data sets. Account descriptions are readily available. Expanded footnotes are also available. Special tools are embedded throughout the application. The user can save graphics to their hard drive. A special tool will retrieve and display flagged data points detected as outliers or inconsistent with historical data. The user can retrieve and display errant, missing, or inconsistent Form 41 filings. An export tool allows multiple data exports for 10 years of historical data. Other options are also available. The main interface application or Smart Client is integral to the application. The Smart Client is a custom Windows application installed on the user's computer. Call this the front end. It communicates with the web server or the back end to retrieve required data. The retrieval of data from the back end renders to the front end as page views. It downloads from the web server and installs on the user's computer. It automatically updates and upgrades as revisions are made. For additional information, feel free to contact me directly. This contact information is available on my website. Pricing information is also on my website, but let me say the application is modestly priced. Depending on a few variables, such as the amount of content required, the price varies. I'm happy to discuss the pricing as well as discounts for multiple users. On my website, I have some demonstration videos of the application. I urge you to watch these because I believe they substantiate not only the utility, but the power of this indispensable application.